Good Thursday morning, and thanks for checking out this forecast update. Not quite as cold this morning with temperatures in the lower 20s. We are watching snow that will be arriving here as we go into this evening. That will continue through the morning hours on our Friday. Here's a look at the timing of this, and I think this will start to move into Indianapolis probably around 5 p.m. or so. And we will see snow linger across the area this evening, but it'll be pretty light in nature. Probably not going to cause a whole lot of problems on the roads this evening. But I think as we go into later tonight is when the snow will start to pick up. After about 4 o'clock tomorrow morning through about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, we will see some slightly heavier snow showers work their way through the area. And we do anticipate light amounts of snowfall on the order of about 1 to locally 2 inches of snow, mainly around Indianapolis and points south. North of there, less than 1 inch expected. And not everybody here will get 1 to 2 inches. I do think even in that 1 to 2 inch band from Indy to Bloomington down towards Bedford, there will be isolated pockets that still get a little bit lower amounts. So this is not looking to be any big event. 1 to 2 inches generally expected out of this here. Looking at our extended forecast, there's some good news. If you're ready for warmer weather this weekend, it will come, but it will come with some rain on our Saturday. Again, tomorrow we kind of clear things back out by the afternoon. We'll start to melt that snow pretty quickly. Saturday rain arrives, and then Sunday should see a dry day, just quite breezy as we go throughout the course of the weekend. And here's that rain for Saturday coming in. Again, it looks like a pretty wet afternoon and evening on Saturday, becoming quite windy as well. We could see some wind gusts around 40 miles per hour. And then next week, check out the forecast. Monday and Tuesday look dry and pretty seasonal here. And check out next Wednesday, we have a high temperature of 65 degrees. So that will be welcome news for all of those who are just tired of winter and ready for spring, and to get some spring fever perhaps as we go into the middle of next week. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.